Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the sound output on your LG TV. At the moment the sound is routed to come out of the internal speakers. But let's say now if we wanted internal speakers and we wanted optical out as well, then you can change that in the settings, or you can have it coming out via HDMI. So right now you can see there's no red light there because it's set purely to the internal speakers. But if we were to go into the settings here by pressing this button on the remote control, then we can go across to this one here, the speaker, and you can use a magic mouse or you can just move left and right and move up and down. And then at the moment you can see it's just internal TV speaker. But if we were to move left and right, it will scroll between different things like Bluetooth, mobile device, optical, HDMI ARC, Bluetooth surround, optical and internal speakers. So let's say now if you didn't want it on the internal speakers, you just wanted optical, watch this. If I go to optical only and do that, you can now see we have a little red light coming out here. Hopefully you will just be able to see that glowing in there. Yep. And now if we were to have it on optical and internal speakers, then it's going to come out of the internal speakers and optical. So right now you can still see that we have the red light here. And now we will have sound not only coming out of the internal speakers, but via the optical cable as well. But you will set it to whatever you set it to, because you might have it connected up to a sound bar, and you might not want the sound coming through the speakers of the TV because you don't like them because they might be very cheap. You might want it all coming through the sound bar, in which case then you might select the HDMI option or the optical option depending on how it is connected up. Thanks for watching.